Hi everybody, welcome to this video about the DreamHero mouth guard. So if you're here, I'm pretty sure you're looking for more information about it. So stay with me until the very end of this video. That for sure it's going to be the most complete video you will see today on the internet about it. I also have some really important warnings and alerts that you must know before actually purchasing it. So stay with me, alright? However, if you watch this video until the very end and you think you need more information about it, I managed to find the link for the official website and I left it just below in the description of my video. All you have to do is go to the description box and click on the link below to go directly to the official website where you can find all the complete information about it. But remember to stay with me because the warnings and alerts will be available only on this video. So guys, this product was developed to help all people who suffers from snoring. So this is kind of a problem that it's not just about the noise, it's also about you disturbing another person that is sleeping with you. Also, you're not breathing well, all right? So the oxygen is not going well to your brain. So your brain is not resting enough during the night and you need to rest. So on the other day, you're working better, all right? So your cognitive functioning is functioning effectively. So that's why this product was designed. It's super easy to use, guys. So if it's comfortably in your mouth, so all you have to do is use it every night and you will start seeing the results. And not just that, you won't snore anymore, and plus you will have all of these benefits, guys, because you will breathe better. You will, when you breathe better, your allergies don't attack anymore so frequently. So all of these benefits, your brain will work better. You will have like a cognitive functioning well. Your brain will be like more clear and you will breathe better, which is the best thing ever, right? Everybody wants to breathe, everybody wants to sleep, have a good rest, because if you're snoring, you're not breathing, you're not resting. So you're just with your eyes closed because you're not resting effectively. So yes, guys, it really works. It has been helping thousands of people around the world who suffers with this problem, all right? You can check people's testimonials on their official website and see how many benefits it can bring you. Plus, they offer you a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test it for a period of time. And if you don't see any results, you just have to go to the official website and ask for a refund, and they will give 100% of your money back. So you don't need to worry about it. You have nothing to lose here, guys. Seriously. But of course, I have an alert to share with you. The only place you can buy this product from is on their official website. That means it's not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. Remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of my video, and that is the only link you can purchase the original product from, nowhere else. So keep that in mind that you won't lose your money, okay? There are many people trying to sell a fake product, but the original one with all of these benefits, only buy the link on the description of my video. So if you want to have a good night's sleep, you know that it can affect your overall health. If you want to give the person who sleeps with you a good night's sleep because of the noise, if you want to breathe well, if you want to have a clear brain, that product was made for you. It can really help you, all right? And remember, the only place you can purchase it is on their official website. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video until here. I hope I have helped you. I hope I have answered all of your questions, but you can check all the complete information about it on their official website. Thank you so much and see you guys around.